The upcoming Beijing Winter Olympics has boosted the enthusiasm for winter sports among the Chinese public. More and more people in the southern provinces of China are trying out winter sports, though the local climate is relatively warm and mild.
Hello everyone, I'm Wu Si with Xinhua News Agency. I'm now at Yushe Ski Resort in the city of Liupanshui, southwest China's Guizhou province. As the temperature drops in most parts of the province, many ski lovers choose to come here and slide on ice and snow. At present, the city boasts 3 ski resorts, which can accommodate nearly 30,000 tourists per day. Cold temperatures, a natural condition for winter sports, now become an important engine for local tourism and economic development.
今年不是要举行冬奥会嘛，在这样的背景下，我们也很想来体验一下这种运动，感觉很刺激。今天是我们第一次来滑雪，然后就刚开始很害怕，但后面滑着摔几跤，感觉也适应了。我觉得在南方能体验到北方的这种冰雪运动，真的很方便，很有体验感。很好玩，我们都很开心，来到这觉得很值了。
This year, winter sports are embraced as official competition events for the first time in Guizhou Provincial Games to further develop winter sports in the province.
我是2021年的1月份开始接触越野滑雪，当时我接触越野滑雪是因为省里面召集了集训，第一次接触给我的感觉是非常的有一种刺激的感觉，然后激励我继续喜欢它下去。现在对于这些基本的滑雪技能我还是能够掌握的。这个越野滑雪项目一般只有在北方才有，现在能在南方体验到这种越野滑雪的项目，我感觉挺好。
Statistics show that the ski resorts of Meiwushan and Yushe in Liupanshui received a total of over 18,000 tourists during this year's New Year holiday, registering a 21.5% year-on-year increase.
今年可以说是这个游客虽然说受到了一些疫情的影响，但是整个我们的滑雪场还是受到了广大朋友的这个喜欢和喜好。刚好赶上今年是一个非常特殊的年份，我们北京的这个冬奥会的这个开始。那么在今年呢，我们其实也积极响应的北京冬奥会的政府的这个号召，也做出了一系列的这个活动和一系列的这种体验，包括我们冰雪进校园也受到了学校很多的欢迎。我相信冰雪不单单是北方人的专享，也会成为我们南方人以后自豪的一部分。